What happens to cancer cells after they die? Welcome back to Life Well Lived. Today, we delve into a fascinating and critical aspect of cancer biology. What happens to cancer cells after they die? Cancer cells can meet a quiet end and be recycled, but sometimes they can also prompt nearby surviving cancer cells to grow. This process involves a type of immune cell known as a phagocyte, which engulfs and recycles dead cancer cells. Cancer treatments like chemotherapy kill tumor cells, often causing them to self-destruct, shrink, and quietly die, or sometimes triggering a more intense form of cell death. But what exactly happens to cancer cells after they die? Typically, they are recycled like any other dead cells in the body. When cancer cells die, their outer membranes usually get damaged. This occurs during a process known as silent cell death or apoptosis, a programmed mechanism to eliminate unnecessary or damaged cells. When the molecular switch that triggers apoptosis is flipped on, the dying cell shrinks, and membrane fragments bud off. This causes the cell's internal components to leak out, attracting phagocytes, the immune cells responsible for engulfing cellular debris. Phagocytes wrap around the dead cancer cells and break them down into smaller components such as sugars and nucleic acids. Through this process, dead cancer cells are recycled into materials that other cells can reuse. In apoptosis, the type of cell death targeted by traditional cancer treatments, cancer cell fragments are usually recycled this way rather than being expelled from the body. For example, through urine, cancer treatments can also induce other forms of cell death like necroptosis, a bursting cell death where tumor cells swell and rupture instead of shrinking. Phagocytes effectively clear these dying cells as well. However, cancer cells don't always go quietly. Research shows that by releasing inflammatory debris, they can sometimes stimulate the growth of nearby surviving cancer cells. This phenomenon, known as the Revesh effect, helps explain why some cancers recur after treatment. A 2023 study by experts at the National Cancer Institute in the U.S. discovered that the nucleus of a dying cancer cell can sometimes swell and burst, spewing DNA and other molecules into the surrounding area. In mice, these molecules can accelerate metastasis, the spread of cancer cells beyond the original tumor. Studies like these help us understand how dying tumor cells contribute to cancer progression and recurrence. However, the research is still in its relatively early stages, and scientists do not fully understand this relationship. With more studies in the future, researchers aim to uncover the biological mechanisms behind cancer, leading to more effective treatments. For instance, a 2018 study suggested a method to combat tumor growth caused by dead cancer cell fragments using resolvin, molecules derived from omega-3 that can help reduce inflammation and cytokine impact, and promote the clearance of cellular debris. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the complexities of cancer biology and the ongoing efforts to develop better treatments. This is Life Well Lived, bringing you the latest in health and science.